Alrighty, Joe Shear made a video about the condenser fan motor making noise. I call it bumps, bump, bump, drives you nuts. I have a unit here, I'll show you. Hear that? Try it again. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is it's a single pole contactor. I'm gonna put a 2-pole contactor and wire it exactly the same way. This is my coming back from my comment on the compressor, and this is from the condenser fan motor, the other black. Okay, so what I did is put a 2-pole contactor in, and we're going to try it now. The 2-pole contactor wired exactly the same way as a single pole. Exactly the same way. Let's try it. Got to turn the unit on first. Helps. Alrighty, push it in. Let's try it again. Bump. Shut the disconnect off. What happens if I take the black wire coming from the condenser fan motor and I put it, hope this shows up here, on the bottom? So basically it's 2-pole contactor. Now it's isolated. This is totally isolated because the 2 contacts are breaking it. Let's fire it up again. Try it again. It's gone. One more time. It's gone. So what you got to take and do is put a 2-pole contactor in. Just run the outdoor fan motor to the bottom, L1, so it's breaking contact so that it doesn't get interference from the compressor causing the noise. So it's completely isolated off the compressor. So I have to thank Joe Shear. I take no credit for this. I was just thinking of an easier way of doing it instead of the 3-pole contactor, but this is what I came up with. Not trying to steal anybody's ideas, but I just laying in bed at night thinking there's got to be an easier way. So what happens if I do this, and this is what happens. So it's fixed. It's fixed. All right, thanks for watching.